Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Pocophone F2 Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on your Xiaomi. Right now click on the search and we are going to use the application named CLONEit. So let's install this application. And of course you have to do the same on the second smartphone. Right now we can open this application on our Android smartphone. Click on the open when it's finished. Click allow. Tap on the yes, I agree. And right now we have to click sender on Android phone. Click set. Turn on location and then just go back. Click sender once again and tap receiver on your Xiaomi. So click allow, and right here we have to also get access to the location for this app. Click receiver, tap on the search again, and right now we have to wait a little bit. Click on this Android share icon, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the QR code. Tap on it, click allow, grab your phone, put it in the frame of the QR code, and right now just wait a little bit. Accept the request on your Android smartphone, and right now if you want to send everything you have to click on all of these icons and then tap on the start button. But in my case I will go below for the details because I don't want to send everything. It will take too much time. So I'm going for the details right here, and I will send these two songs from the Post Malone. Click start, OK. And as you can see it's finished. So let's tap on this button and right now we can check where are the files. So let's go for the file manager and it will be probably in the music. And yeah, here are the files that we sent from our Android smartphone to Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.